Globaltronic had a previously certified system with ISO 9001 and MP 4457, and for that reason it had already some processes, and they were already at a good stage. The issue was that we thought at the time that it would be a good idea to improve, to optimize our processes and to make it more easy and more prone to success in terms of our products. And this was the main reason why we tried and we decided to adopt this certification. This certification has shown to be a very good bet for our company, because it introduces several tools in our development cycle that contributed to the process of developing software, firmware, and hardware, and mostly it contributed to the management of the development cycle in a way that we could track every decision along the way, every fault that was made during the process, and it made it easier for improving based on the history of the development cycle. I think there's the external influence. So we are in a place where we get a lot of requirements and a lot of challenging ideas to develop, and of course these ideas could not be developed if we hadn't had some human resources, some professionals working with us with creative minds and and put a lot of effort in developing these ideas. So in summary, I think the two key points for being an innovative company is the environment in which we are and the collaborators that we work with. Regarding the products which I think we differentiate from the competition, well, there's two lines of work. The first line pertains to the work we have been conducting for several years here at Agda, and mostly for the industry, for the local industry of lighting. And we have developed several PCBs with LEDs, which are embedded into the lighting fixtures, and also smart controllers and drivers for these equipments, for these luminaries. This is an area which we have worked for many years, and we are one of the key producers, I think, in Portugal for this kind of technology. And the other one, which arose more or less recently, is the area of the Internet of Things, in which we have used this concept of everything is connected to build a smart city or smart city solutions. In our case, we are betting on using the land poles in the city for creating an infrastructure that can then provide added services to the municipality and to the users. And the other area in which we also are working, and we have a lot of experience actually, is the area of the development and embedding of wireless Wi-Fi connectivity solutions based on embedded Linux. So we have been developing this for foreign customers or customers abroad, I mean, and but we have knowledge and know-how to do this for any kind of product that we want to embed this technology in. Yes, for sure. I think the main issue with implementing a new certification is always the team, or the lack of the team to do it. And in this case, because the certification is so light in terms of effort that is required, and because it looks at our own process and only tries to change it to improve, to include the best practices of developing software in this case, or or security or in the business. It was really easy to do the certification and to achieve the levels that were required to be certified. And also because this is a certification that is custom tailored for small to medium enterprises, I think it's quite easy to implement for this type of companies, and for sure I would recommend this certification to any kind of SMA that does development on its process.
With the IT market, we were able to consolidate our processes and to embed some systematic ideas like peer review and other process that usually we already done, but not on a systematic way. And with the IT market, this was all embedded in our system, and therefore our products now are better. The changing was possible because the IT mark helped us a lot in showing that this process, the peer review and other process that we have implemented are important for to obtain better products at the end, better solutions. And although we have some older developers, it was easy because of the environment that we have here in the company. It was easy to implement these changes successfully. Yes, Strongstep was important for the success of the certification, essentially because they never tried to implement the process itself. The idea was to look at our process and to embed the acknowledgements and the best practice of the IT mark in the process itself. So it was quite easy and important.